Where's your harmonica?
Who, Aaron?
Yeah.
Mine's in the car, Mommy. Mine's in the
Can you play it for me?
I can't play it right now. Mommy, where's
No,
my
no.
harmonica?
Where's your harmonica? What is it, green?
Yeah.
It's got to be around here somewhere. In one of the bins.
Okay, time to go, Mommy. What's this, Mommy? Mommy, time to go.
All right.
Come on.
Harmonica. Just a handsome guy, except you have oatmeal all over your face. Oh, a booger.